Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your customer service skills with customer service training step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current customer service skills. Identify areas where you excel and areas that need improvement. Research customer service training programs that align with your goals. Consider online courses, workshops, or local classes. Choose a program that fits your learning style. Register for the training and allocate dedicated time for it. Familiarize yourself with the training materials provided. Engage actively during the training sessions. Take notes on key concepts and strategies discussed. Practice active listening techniques during interactions with customers. Role-play different customer scenarios to build confidence and adaptability. Learn to manage difficult situations with empathy and professionalism. Seek feedback from peers and trainers to gain insights on your performance. Implement what you learn in real-world customer interactions. Reflect on your experiences to identify further areas for growth. Regularly revisit training materials to reinforce your learning. Set specific goals for improving your customer service approach. Monitor your progress and adjust your techniques as needed. Stay updated on customer service trends and best practices. Continually seek opportunities for further training and development. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.